The police in Mandeville are searching for suspects behind the deadly shooting that took place in the market on Friday morning. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Manchester police have been left puzzled as it relates to a deadly shooting that took place in Mandeville, Manchester in the market on Friday morning. The police have so far released the names of the two victims killed in the deadly attack on Friday. A total of 7 people were shot in the incident, which occurred sometime after 10 at the entrance of the Mandeville market. The deceased have so far been identified as 30-year-old Melissa Merchant, a practical nurse of Warwick District, and Andrew Bradford, otherwise called Spring Boy, a resident of Royal Flat. The other victims have been hospitalized. Investigators reported that Mr. Bradford was the target of the gunmen and that the other victims were struck by a stray bullet while he was being chased. An eyewitness that was left in a state of shock recounted what she saw.
I reached right at Mothers when I heard a shot. I thought it was the backfire of a bike. Then I saw 2 young men running and turn to Newley Road. They were pushing the guns in their pockets. It's very frightening. It happened so quick. Knowing me, Mr. Excitement, I won't be in there, so I head where I was going.
The shooting occurred amidst a peace march organized by the Albion Primary School to decry the recent spate of violence in the parish of Manchester. Investigators have launched a manhunt for the 2 suspects in connection with the attack. Mayor of Mandeville, Donovan Mitchell, has condemned the attack. Mayor Mitchell, who visited the victims at hospital, told reporters that he was part of the peace march when he heard about the shooting. He revealed that 2 of the wounded were treated and sent home. 2 have been sent for diagnostic tests, while 1 remained hospitalized. Mayor Mitchell urged eyewitnesses to assist the police in finding the perpetrators.
My subsequent visit is that the shooting took place at the entrance of the market to the southern side. 7 persons got shot, 2 fatally. As I speak now, I am at the hospital. I went to visit to speak to the doctors. Actually, 2 are seen and sent home. 2 are now gone to do some diagnostic tests, and 1 is now still here doing some. The doctors are looking after him. So it is a sad day, because while we were on the other side of town, speaking peace, something else was happening in the town of Mandeville. Things are not so bad in terms of the clear-up rate, because I was advised that about 82% of the shootings have been cleared up. But it is hard for the police to be everywhere. Just to say to the police, whatever you know, speak, because the next person might be you, because the young lady was just in the market doing her own business. One of the gentlemen was across the road in a syrup shop buying something else, and so it could have been any one of us.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.